Hello, my name is David, and I'm here to show you how to use the BurstPages website editor. The first thing you need to know is that you can edit any text inside of the BurstPages website editor. Just double click it twice, and then you can rewrite anything that you like. You can delete, it's like a normal Word editor. You can also click and drag any element, be that text, images, or any widgets, and rearrange them to wherever you'd like to put them. You can edit any section of your website by highlighting the section that you'd like to edit, going to the gear icon, and choosing Resize Container. This will allow you to choose the design and how far you'd like your website to stretch. You can also change the container margins or margins of any single element inside of the BurstPages website editor. You can also copy any container by simply selecting the gear icon and clicking on Copy Widget. Once you've copied a widget, it'll show up in the Copied Widgets icon. You can then click and drag any widget you've already copied to paste it again into your website. You can easily delete any container by going back to the gear icon, clicking on the delete or trash icon, and confirming that you'd like to delete that widget. Remember, you can edit any element inside of your website by simply clicking on it. To edit an image, click on it, click on Edit Image, and then click on the image itself. You can then choose which picture you'd like to replace with it, and then click on Select. This allows you to change the image easily. You can also give your images a little bit more of a pop by simply checkmarking the Stretch If Needed container. To change your header, all you have to do is scroll up and click on the gear icon in the header section. You can then choose the header layout that you'd like to use, click Save, and your header will be changed. You can also change the menu items by clicking the brush icon next to the menu items. You can then add subpages, which will include a drop down in your menu. You can also click and drag any page in your menu item to change its location. To add a block to your website, simply highlight over the section that you'd like to add a block to, click on Add Block, and then choose the block that you'd like to add. In this case, I'm going to choose an image and text block to showcase some images. Once you've chosen the block that you'd like to select, just click on it and it will be added to the section. You can easily change the size of anything by simply clicking on it and clicking and dragging on one of the endpoints. This will allow you to resize any image or section by simply clicking and dragging. You can then make sure to save any changes, or you can discard completely to reset back to your previously saved stage. Widgets are elements that you can add to your website. To add a widget, simply click on the plus icon on the left-hand side. Then choose the widget that you'd like to select. In this case, I chose the gallery. Once you've chosen your widget, simply click and drag it to where you'd like to add it to. In this case, I chose a gallery, so I can then click on the images that I'd like to select. I then choose the images and then click on Save. The images will now be shown in a gallery in the section that I put it into. Editing a widget is easy. All you have to do is click on it and choose to edit the settings. In this case, I'm editing the gallery widget. This allows me to edit the image patterns to make it look nicer. Once you're done, all you have to do is click away and the widget will be saved. Adding a new website page is really easy. All you have to do is click on the hamburger menu on the left-hand side and click on Add New. This will allow you to choose what type of page you'd like to add. In this case, we're just going to choose a normal page. Then enter the page name, click Add, and a new page will be added for you to modify. If you'd like to preview your website, all you have to do is click on the eye icon on the left-hand side. You will then see exactly what your website looks like as if you were a customer. You can also change it to phone view to see what it looks like on mobile. If you click on Show a new tab will open up with your website. Thank you very much for watching part 1 of the BurstPages website editor tutorial, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. See you soon!